Moving forward, we can still use inclined plane to find the coefficient of static friction, right? Yes. Now let's see how it goes. Let's have this. If this is a plank and this load is on the plank, if this plank is gradually increased until this load is just about to slide down, until the load is just about to slide down and the plank is hinged there. Now watch what will happen. There will be a frictional force that will be pushing the load backward, right? Because the load is about to slide down. And I hope you know how we define friction. Friction is a force that opposes the relative motion, right? It opposes, meaning when you want to go forward, friction wants to bring you back. It's like the devil. I hope you understand. Good. So, as this load is just about to slide down, frictional force is acting backward. Do we get? Now, there's what we call reaction, normal reaction. Normal reaction will be acting upward from this. I hope you know Newton's law of motion, that action and reaction are equal and opposite. So, as the weight of this load is acting downward, reaction from this will be pushing upward. Do we get? Now, this is the weight of the load. This is R, reaction. The reason you could sit on a chair and not fall is because there is a reaction from the chair also pushing you forward. So the reaction from the chair and your weight acting downward is the reason you are stable. Each time your weight becomes bigger, the chair collapses. How we get? Good. So if that is understood, that means we can say, watch, let us complete this line. This is a dotted line. Let's complete this one. So this my angle theta is coming here now. Do we follow? Now you see that this shape you have here, this place become angle 90. If you think this weight is acting like this, that means this arrow will go this way. This arrow will go this way. Follow me carefully. So what are the horizontal components? This is a horizontal component. First of all, let's find what is here. What is going to be here? Since this angle face here, that means this place become opposite. This is hypotenuse, right? So let's call here anything. Let me try to call here x and call here y. So let's find what is x. This is opposite in relation to this. This is w. That is now opposite hypotenuse. Do we get? Yes, that means I'm going to have that sine theta is equals to opposite x upon hypotenuse w. Because we are looking for x, let's make x the subject of the formula by cross multiplying. X times 1, x equals to w times sine theta, w sine theta. Call it equation 1 and keep it. Find y2. What is y? Since my angle is facing here, y is at the other side. That means y is adjacent. How we get? So this is adjacent hypotenuse, right? And that is cos, right? So adjacent hypotenuse. So that is cos. So I'm going to have cos theta is equals to y upon w. Do we follow? Every number is upon 1. Am I free to go ahead? Yes. Cross multiply because we are looking for y. Y times 1, y equals to cos times w, w cos theta. Call it equation 2. We move forward. Can we go ahead? So we now know what is x and we know what is y. That means I am free to clean here and put what is x, w sine theta. I can also clean here and put what is y, w cos theta. Friction. One of the laws of friction that say that what? Frictional force is proportional to normal reaction. Do you recall? That means we can say that frictional force is proportional to normal reaction. That means that frictional force is equals to mu r. Right? What is our mu? Mu is a constant of proportionality, known as coefficient of static friction. Is that correct? Yes. That means we can make it subject of the formula by dividing both sides by what? By r. Divide here by r. Divide here by r. Do you follow? Yes. So r will marry r. What is left? Mu is left. Mu is equals to what is left here? F upon r. Follow me gradually. Now, please make note of this. I want to wipe it. So mu is equals to F upon R. Now mu is equals to, what is our F? W sine theta. W sine theta. Divided by R. What is our R? Look at our R. W cos theta. W cos theta. Are we right? That means W can marry W. Our mu become sine theta upon cos theta. Can we stop here? No. What is W? What is sine theta upon cos theta? Trigonometry. Sine theta upon cos theta from trig is equals to tan theta. That means that mu is equals to tan theta. Simple. So each time you have problem in inclined plane, you have the value of theta. And that means if they say find the coefficient of static friction, you are free to say that it is equals to tan of the value of the theta they gave you. As simple as that.